Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning pot analysis videos on Thursday 7th of June with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at euro dollar, which continues to run high. We had that speech by Peter Pratt, the ECB chief economist, yesterday, suggesting that the ECB was going to be discussing the end of the APP at next week's meeting, and that has certainly boosted the euro. A couple of sessions of really strong gains now, 50 pips up today. Obviously, still pretty young session, but still is testing higher, testing the resistance at 118.20 area. That's sort of an old pivot area, 118.20, 118.30, and it is, as we speak, pulling up above that. It's sort of 18.40 was today's high, pretty much. Looks to be on the gain. Look at that stochastics accelerating, MACD lines rising, RSI above 50. Looks like a pretty positive move. We've got the hourly chart, which has completed this base pattern above 1750, which implies around about 230, 240 pips of upside. Again, that sort of implies a move back towards the high 119s, and then you start to think about 120 again, the 120 sort of old psychological level. So there is a decent move higher, and if you can get a close above 118.20, 118.30 today, I think this is just going to continue the run higher. It looks like a pretty strong recovery that we've got in play on the euro. You can see here on the hourly chart the higher lows and higher highs now. Weakness being bought into, slightly stretched on the hourly RSI. That might induce a little bit of a near-term correction, but around sort of 40 to 50 is where we get the buying pressure coming back in. The MACD lines back towards neutral. That would be a buying opportunity. All looks pretty positive, doesn't it? 117.50 is that sort of neckline breakout of that little base pattern. And that is around about where we saw the retreat back towards overnight before the market moved on again. So there is sort of a little bit of a pullback we've seen towards 1750, 1760. That would be sort of a basis of support now for any sort of corrective move. But yeah, it's looking pretty strong for further recovery. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.